My task today is going to clone a 2019 Porsche Cayenne PCM. As you can see right there, this is the original PCM and this is the junkyard PCM. The adapter I'm going to use is MC001 of Obdstar. The concern here is there's a climate control sensor that is not activated, and so this is an inconvenience for the customer. Customer is a dealership. They send it to a garage. This garage usually call me to help them with things like that. They try to price the PCM at the Porsche dealership, and PCM only before programming is $2,200. Therefore, they want to find out if I am able to make a one-to-one clone of this PCM on this PCM. So let's go ahead and try that. And then we are going to go to the car and install everything and find out if the procedure was successful or no. This is not the first PCM clone that I do, but as far as this Porsche, I have heard that cloning this PCM particularly doesn't allow the emo functions to transfer over. So it may be that a person who thought so used a different tool than I use. So we'll do, and we'll find out exactly what happens. And this is the one I am looking for. Let's double check. MG1CS002. MG1CS002. Okay, so we are going to look at the pinout. And for this procedure, we are going to use a bench procedure, and we can use P00 adapter, P003 adapter, P003 plus adapter, or MP001. This is MP001. For this particular procedure, we cannot use P004 adapter, which is usually the adapter of choice for most clone I've done. As far as P003 plus, I do have it here. So we are going to use P003 plus adapter. Let's look at the pinout. And this is our PCM right there. It's a little fuzzy. Connector pinout. And so we have a power and a ground on top, can low and can high at the bottom. We can actually, so we can better see the pins. And I am going to hook everything up and then start the procedure. Going to attempt the clone with Obdstar Dc706 and MP001 adapter. This is the original PCM, and this is the junkyard PCM. Let's go ahead and hook it up and try to read the ECU. Just reading the flash. This will take some time. At 90%, I'll connect it back. Here you can see the progress. 103 out of 105 sectors. It's pretty much done. Okay, so I'm going to fill this up and then save it. Porsche Cayenne, last 8 of the VIN, Bosch ECU, type, and EEPROM. Internal flash, okay? So click and save. Now we are going to read the EEPROM. EEPROM is pretty fast. Read EEPROM. "96 sectors. Alright, so we are going to save that too. I'm going to do the same. Alright, so this is the EEPROM file. And we are going to save that. So now, at this point, the procedure is complete, so just click on disconnect. Yes. And then back. Engine control fault. Go ahead and try start it again. It will start and die. So it start fine with the original PCM, but with the new one start and die. Turn it off. Now let's